Welcome to this video on Essential Email Foundations. Today we're going to explore why dedicated domain authentication is a strategic business requirement when using HubSpot. Is it actually a requirement? Yes. Setting up a custom email domain is critical. Without it, your emails look like unverified broadcasts, which limits your branding and harms your deliverability. Bypassing authentication risks ghost sender damage. Your emails may appear with suspicious system-wrapped addresses, which can degrade click rates and trigger spam filters. To maintain security, modern standards include SPF to authorize mail servers, DKIM for cryptographic signatures, and DMARC to enforce alignment and prevent spoofing. HubSpot's capabilities vary by tier. Free accounts have limited branding options, while Starter, Professional, and Enterprise tiers unlock greater control over custom domains and security settings. To configure your domain, first access your DNS hosting provider, then in HubSpot request a new email sending domain. Finally, inject the generated CNAME records into your DNS manager to activate. Are you ready for launch? Well, let's map your DNS settings and secure your sending reputation today.
This video includes image resources from Mailtrap and the FinTech Times.